Hey guys, it's Brent with Lawhon Home Team.
And I'm Jennifer. And in this video, we're going to take you to two new home communities right here in Sanford, Florida. And we're going to start here at Riverside Oaks, which is by Toll Brothers. This is a gated community that features luxury single-family homes right along the St. Johns River.
That's right. And if you want to learn a little bit more about Sanford and the surrounding area, click on the link above and it'll take you right there.
So come join us on this tour.
Yeah.
Riverside Oaks is close to historic downtown Sanford and all of the local restaurants and shopping. First up is the Wilmot Coastal. This home features 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths and is just over 2,200 square feet. Starting price is about $445,000. When you first walk into this home, you will find a flex room, which would make a great home office or even formal living room. Next to the flex room is a bedroom. The laundry room will be just off the foyer and hallway. And then you will walk and find an open floor plan. Here is the 3rd bedroom, right off the foyer as well. And again, you have the open kitchen, nice countertops, and then off the kitchen, you can have a dining area as well as your living area. You even have the option to put in a pool and enjoy the Florida sun. Off of the living room is the master bedroom. This is a decent sized bedroom, plenty of room for your dressers and even a chair. The master bath, you will find a nice tub, as well as a stand-up shower and your dual sinks. This home is ready for your enjoyment.
Okay guys, we're at Rosecrest here in Sanford, and we're going to be touring Freedom Homes by D.R. Horton.
Yeah, this new home community has 14 different plans to choose from, and they have homes for every stage of life. So let's come out and check out these 2 home models that we're going to walk you through.
Yeah, let's go.
The Bristol is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,714 square feet of home. Starting price is $335,990. This tropical design goes well with the Florida image. Open office or study available. And check out the granite countertops. Aren't those nice? Open dining room and view-in kitchen, living room. Take a look outside. We have a covered lanai with pavers and a beautiful view. Owner's suite comes with walk-in shower, double sinks, and a real big closet. put your feet up in your new living room and enjoy the Bristol model.
Let's check out the Del Rey model. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, little over 2,000 square feet, and starting price is just under $360,000. The second and third bedroom of this home is right up front of the house, just off the foyer. They will share a full bathroom, and they are right next to each other. Both come with nice sized closets as well. There is also a flex room, which again would make a great home office or maybe even a small bedroom. Now let's check out the living area. Again, the nice open floor plan. This is great for entertaining, great for the family. There's room for the dining, a nice sized kitchen, this model seems to have a good amount of counter space, which is always great to have. Now let's check out the master bedroom, which is towards the back of the home. Again, a nice sized bedroom, especially for a master bedroom. And then you have the master bath. This features your dual sinks and your stand-up shower. You have a nice walk-in closet, plenty of room for all of your items. And another one, we call those his and her closets. These homes are gorgeous and close to historic Sanford. If you have questions, please feel free to call us and we'll answer them to the best of our ability. Interested in learning more about the Orlando area? Then download our Orlando Relocation Guide. And if you have real estate questions or even questions about the Orlando area, please feel free to call us at the number.